there you go. Right, we cheated, and we've already got a few boards up there. We were planning on filming it all, but we thought we'd just try one, and we're glad we did, because it was quite disastrous, the first one, and even more disastrous the second one, and then we've hit on this ingenious plan. With the little footstools, and that seems to be working now. So we got another 5 boards to get up. 4, there's already 2 already down on the floor, 2 to go down on here, 4 over there, and then a couple of spares, so that we can then get to the partition safely. Because at the moment it obviously isn't safe, but once we've got the 4 upstairs, we'll screw them down so that we can then slide a board over there, get one over on the other side, and get all 4 over on the other side as well. They're overlapped at the moment. I'm not sure if you can really tell. You might be able to tell once the other 2 boards go down, but they're overlapped at the moment because we still got a couple of skirting boards in the way. Once the partitions go, the skirting boards go, and then we'll replace the joists, but the plan is to keep the OSB as our temporary floor once the new joists are in, until we get to a point where we think it's fine to be putting floorboards down without ruining them with all the stuff we're doing, and then they won't overlap. But we didn't want to cut any off to get rid of the overlap now, because then we've got boards that don't fit the complete span of the 2 bedrooms. So we'll get cracking on with the next one.
With more?
Yeah. Okay?
Yeah.
That's that one. That's that one. That can be, yeah. That
She-Ra time.
That should clear the other board. So then Ben goes upstairs.
We need a smaller house.
Alright, tell me when.
Ready when you are.
Yep.
Yeah, go.
Go.
As easy as that.
Yeah. It was a lot easier. You wouldn't believe how it went before.
I shoved across the kitchen floor.
Yeah, no, it was not funny.
With an 8x4 sheet of OSB above my head.
It wasn't funny at the time, believe me. But at least we
it was
finally hit on a decent plan that did actually work. We did think about taking them up the stairs, but they're so heavy and there's not a lot of turning clearance upstairs.
And we're only little.
And we're not very tall, and I think this is the trouble, because I'm not very tall, and neither is Ben. Ben's only 5'6".
Not only, and a half. Well, I was a half.
And trying to push them up with 2 people of
shortness
didn't go so well.
No.
We needed to be 6 foot tall for the first plan to have worked.
Yeah.
And we're not.
No.
So it didn't work.
No.
And we're glad we didn't film it, because it would have been horrendous.
It would have been hilarious.
Yeah, it would have been. Well, it wouldn't.
Not for us.
No, it wasn't.
I think it's more awkward. They are heavy.
Yeah, they are heavy, but it is awkward.
It's the size more than anything else.
Yeah. Like a little. That's it.
All right.
Yep. Alright, that's that one. That's that one. Oh, that's not going to clear the board. I'll come over a bit. Yeah, go for that.
Sure.
Yeah, you have a look. I think you'll clear it from there.
That will. On the plus side, going up and down the stairs, I've now spied out of the back landing window. I thought there was one cow, and now I can see 1, 2, 3 cows and a calf. Two
What?
cows and 2 calves.
In the field where we can see?
Yes, but you stay down there.
Oh,
No, you've got a job to do. You do that. I'll look at the cows.
there's 3 cows and a baby.
Yeah.
Is it the original cow and its baby? And
No, these ones might be from next door.
in that field?
No, that field. Out the back.
Oh, that one.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, I can't wait to see that now.
They'll be gone by the time we finish.
Oh, don't say that. Right, tell me when.
Whenever you like.
Ready?
Yeah. These gloves are great.
They are really good. Can't remember where they came from. Oh, Screwfix.
Yeah.
We buy everything from Screwfix.
What are they? They're sight gloves.
Yeah, they're really good gloves, really grippy.
KF320s. I'm literally using just my fingers to pull the boards up.
They are really good.
What you got in your mouth?
I don't know.
Oh.
I don't really even want to think about it.
No.
No. We've got the joists. I think you can see them. Sorry, I'm going to come behind the camera and see if you can see them.
Oh, there might be
You
5
can.
cows in the bull.
There's joists in the hall living room, and they're all we separated them all so they can dry out
From the rain?
from the rain, and they're getting there. And then once they're dried out a little bit more, we've got some wood preserver, and we have some woodworm
Killer.
and rot.
And maintenance. And
Yeah, we have all sorts of things that we're going to treat them with. Right, ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Oh, shall I get the drill and...
Yeah.
Pardon?
Yeah, we've got to find some screws.
Ooh. Right, so what's the plan? Screw these down first
Yeah.
before...
Yeah, get just a couple in, both, because it will just stop them from twisting. But that's how much overlap you got. It's rubbish, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not a lot, is it?
No. So we want one.
Shall I get a pencil so we can...
That's right. You want to put one in there?
I've got to get it crossed first.
That one's all right.
There.
And right on the end of my finger.
There.
Yeah. Oh, these are hard. Go on. Got it. Right, so if we put one that way and then one that way.
That way.
Yeah, into the joist.
Straight down, not at an angle.
Bit of an angle.
Oh, I'm not very good with angles. I might pass that one to you to do.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm not very good at putting them in at an angle.
Oh my.
I'll drop that one down a bit more.
So I was just wondering whether to stick one in the middle where this bows because of the overlap. Because the next one, yeah, we'll stick
Right
one
on
in
the
here.
edge, yeah.
Oops. And do that one?
At an angle?
Yeah.
I'm not very good with angle ones. Right, so start like that.
Yeah, not as deep.
There.
Yeah. Up a bit.
Up.
Yeah. That's it.
Oh.
Done.
I always forget this comes out on this one.
And they're not going in, they can't twist.
Oh, that's it. Not going to put any more
No,
in.
it's enough for now. Because then we can see later on, we can stick one in there.
Yeah.
But at the moment, they can't twist just for us moving the boards around.
Okay. What?
This is where we see whether
They fit.
Yeah. It's whether 2400 is less or more than 8 foot.
Right, hang on. Let's put these in there. Very warm up here, isn't it?
I can't think why. It was chilly earlier, so we lit the fire.
Yeah. And then we decided to do this.
And all the heat's risen. It's a tad warm up here. Right.
Right.
Go for it.
Going back over.
Yeah.
Are we getting rid of this piece yet, or are we doing this one?
No, I'll come across that way, I think.
Hang on.
All right, a little bit more. There. Right. I'll come. Yeah, I've got this. If you want to come this end, and then you've got a solid board to stand on. And what we'll do, we'll come across to there and see if it fits in that by the chimney breast, yeah.
Okay.
No, I don't like that one. I stand on this one. You up to that?
I'm still on the other board at the moment.
If you drop it in.
Yeah, that's it.
Right, so that won't work. So if we lower it down and slide it under, it's because of the...
We got the black, the writing.
Right, I got it. Right, so if we lift it here, we'll have
onto that board.
Yeah, we'll have to try and slide it in. And now lower it that way. Right, so if we leave your end up,
Yep.
and we push it, and we'll see. You're not going. But I can chip a little bit of the wall out there.
Ooh.
Yeah, under there, to drop that in. There's a bit of stone, you can see it. Because we can leave a lip there.
Here?
Yeah. Or we can just take some of this little bits out.
Well,
there you go, there's that bit. Under there.
I'm probably going to need to go back in about an inch, I reckon. Can you do an inch of...
Might be able to. We're really lucky. Depends. That looks like stone and not.
Well, if you can't, we leave the lip, because it is really only for doing this, isn't it? But the downside is it makes it wobbly for a ladder.
Yeah, give that a push. It's got to be close.
Yeah, it's probably half a centimetre.
I'm going to hit it.
It might be a little bit more than half. I don't know. Because I don't know if it's the same along there. I've got a bit of a bend in it now.
Yeah, with a little bow.
Yeah. If we want to do that one first.
Yeah.
Because of the overlap.
Yeah. I'm just thinking if when we do that one, because you're right, we're needing to do this one. If you stand with your toes on the edge
Of this one.
I should be able to push it up so the board bows enough for that to drop in, and then the board will sit.
Will it not crack it?
No. No, it's a tiny amount. Right, so we've got to pull that one out and put a new one in here, yeah?
Do you want to slide that? No. This is like, you know those puzzles?
Yeah, the slidey ones.
The slidey puzzles.
Or
if you slide it over that way, can you bring the other one over?
Or the crystal maze. Right, can slide one down here now. Oops, crashed. Right, so that one fits.
Yeah. It's a conundrum.
I'm going to lift that, and this one will slide down the wall.
You're going to lift what?
This one.
This?
Yeah.
That you stood on?
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. That's right, got it. Right, let's stick that somewhere handy. Like that.
No, stay there. That's not part of the plan.
Right, if we lift and come out,
yeah,
and then drop
then lay it.
Yeah. Keep going, get there. That's it.
Okay. Oh.
If you lift up, that's
okay.
Right then. Okay, hang on. That's it. Put that down. Nice. and then lift again.
Yep, it's just that.
We'll
Right, give
get
us
that
a second, I need to.
There we go. Right, I'll bring it back to me a bit because then you can get your fingers in.
I can go from the side if you want.
Whatever's easiest. Yeah?
Can you squash that corner, push that?
There we go.
Yeah, it's got a bit of a, is that the cable or?
No, there'll be probably a nail, still part of a nail under there.
Or is it on some? Oh, it's not all the way over here. Is that?
No, the room's not square.
No.
Or the walls aren't square. So then we just got that one.
Okay.
Oh, I'll take this out. It's warm up here.
It is. I'm sure it won't be so much once these are down, but. What was that?
Rubbish falling from the ceiling as I bounce those across. Yeah. Right.
Let me just do this one where it lays really.
That's just not going in, is it?
No. It's, yeah, it may be about 1 centimetre, so it's quite a bit to.
It'd be a big bow initially.
To try and bend it,
Yeah.
I wouldn't bother, because if we break it.
We'll leave it like that then.
Yeah.
Chuck some screws in it.
Yeah.
What we got?
You want some up there?
Yeah, we can do a couple up here. Sorry. Dart.
Do you want works or Stanley?
Whatever. Thanks. Oh, flashy light.
Any this side? Want me to put one over there?
Yeah, go for it. Oops. That might be rotten.
They're going too easily.
Yeah. Oops.
Right, I'll put one there, one there.
Yeah.
So,
Can't see him now. That's one right there. That's handy.
You want any in the middle?
If you can see one, but it won't move. Oh, crash. How does that feel?
Yeah, it feels much better, doesn't it? I think our job here is done. That's it. Move the beds in.
We need. Don't tempt me.
That's fine. We'll just paint the ceiling. It will be great.
It's all it needs.
Yeah.
I told people at work,
Just
a lick of paint, maybe a little bit of filler.
It'll be fine. God, that's an obnoxious noise.
It is.
Yeah, it might need a little more than a lick of paint. Thinking about it.
Filler. Definitely filler.
Yeah.
And then a wood chip.
Mm.
Once the wood chip's on, hides a multitude.
Oh, we've got to do that side now.
Yeah. Right, happy?
Yeah, they're not going to shift, are they?
No, not a chance.
This bedroom narrow. Is it narrower?
It might be a fact. It's not a lot, I don't think, but it is. I feel it is.
I was just thinking, looking at the boards, and
yeah, and
it looks like it'd only be a board and a half in there. But
I'm not wandering.
no, that's fine.
Job's a good one.
Lovely.
So we can stick the rubbish board in there, take the nails out,
Yeah.
put the other boards down.
I was just looking to see how many nails we got. There's a few, isn't there? Especially along that one. There's quite a few on there.
Yeah, that's right. So.
Yeah, that's great. It went well in the end.
It did. Took a little while.
It wasn't very good in the beginning.
It was a learning curve.
It was a very big learning curve.
Is that a bye-bye from us?
Yeah, I think so. I don't think there's anything else.
A bye-bye from me.
And bye-bye from me.
See ya.
Bye.
Hello.
Hello. Right. Back downstairs now. I thought just
Hot seat.
angle this on. Yeah, did you?
Hot seat.
Did you feel like you was under interrogation?
Wow.
Look at that. We know it's only temporary, but everything really is an achievement to us, because this isn't something we do every day and have ever done.
We know there's a big bump in it as well. That's
and we know there's a big
missing gap
there, but we've obviously got plans for what we will do there, and we'll secure that.
That's just to keep us on our toes, the gap.
Just silly little things like this to us are a huge achievement.
It's
because
always,
we're not professional.
It's always one step closer.
Yeah, we are complete beginners at this kind of thing, which we've always said.
Everyone should have a go.
Yeah, everyone should move country.
If you're not grey already, have a go.
Yeah, once you hit 50, do this.
Yeah.
But anyway, so possibly tomorrow, because now it's what time?
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock in the evening. Tomorrow we'll be getting the nails out of these joists so that we can then do the same to that room. We've just done to that room.
And if we're really cruel, we might film every nail being taken out.
We might, yeah.
But we also
Like
might
torture.
spare you of that.
But yeah, that's what we've been doing today. We've moved the OSB into the kitchen, from the kitchen into the bedroom, or onto the bedroom floor.
And we'll sleep well tonight.
Yeah, because we're moving in tonight. I think that's about all I've got to say. I'm not sure. There was something else, but it's completely gone out of my mind. It does that quite a lot.
I'm sure it'll come to you.
I need to start writing lists to remind me. No,
it's
I can't.
gone.
It's
Don't
gone.
worry.
Yeah, I can't think what it was.
Someone might put it in the comment and remind
If
you.
I remember, I'll do another video. Something to look forward to.